Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to talk about how to get shiny, vibrant hair after just one wash. So let's get into it. Hi everyone, my name is Anna and welcome to the Italian Rapunzel. This channel is all about helping you grow healthy, strong, and beautiful hair. So a couple of weeks ago, I ran into this product that basically it's supposed to make your hair super shiny, glowy, and it lasts for about like 6 to 8 weeks. It's actually a product that hairstylists use, and you probably pay like 30 or 50 extra bucks for it when you go and do it at the hair salon, but you can totally do it at home. So there is this brand called Wella that basically has this product that does not ruin your hair. It's a Shinefinity Zero Lift Glaze. It gives you that glazing effect without ammonia or lightening. Basically, it does not ruin your hair at all, and it gives the hair a nice, glowy, bright color. So I tried this Wella ColorMotion instead of trying the Shinefinity version because I couldn't find their brand. And I don't know the brand that I was showing you guys on Amazon. Like, I'm not familiar with that one, but I know that Wella has very good products. And so I didn't want to use another brand because I don't know if that's gonna give me the same effect. But the beauty about the Shinefinity is that if you have colored hair, it will make it even more like brighter and glowy. And even if you don't have colored hair, it will give you that shine so that you don't have flat hair, basically. So instead of buying the Shinefinity version, which is the one that I wanted to buy because I've seen a lot of hair salon using it, and it gives like that super shiny look on your hair, like super glowy. I bought the ColorMotion one, which it is supposed to give you that shine and glaze look, but maybe not as much as the Shinefinity version. So I don't know if Wella discontinued it or they're selling it only to hairstylists because I went on the website, there was nothing, and on Amazon it's sold by another brand. That's why I didn't buy it. But anyway, so I did it before. So this is my before. This is my hair after I went for a run and dirty. So take that into account. And this is my hair now. So I can see that it did add a little bit of shine and vibrancy, but it's not as much as I was expecting because I've seen videos of before and after when people use the Shinefinity version of the Wella product that basically gives this amazing shine and lasts for 8 weeks. It did give a little bit of shine and color vibrancy. The thing that I love about this product is that you can select the color that you actually want. So it does change your color in a way and makes it more vibrant. So it did give me a little bit of shine.